Rumors are swirling about Toyota possibly reviving the Celica along with other iconic models in their upcoming lineup. It's easy to see why the Celica has such a devoted following. Known for its sporty demeanor, aerodynamic design, and impressive performance, the Celica has captured the hearts of many. In line with the industry's shift toward greener technologies, an electric version is expected to replace the traditional Celica. This new iteration aims to merge state-of-the-art, eco-friendly engineering with the Celica's legendary racing heritage. The revival of the Celica is more than just a nod to nostalgia, it's about blending the best of both the present and the future. The car is expected to retain the aggressive stance and sleek aerodynamic lines of its predecessor. However, the new version is said to look even bolder, featuring extended LED headlights and a larger front grille. Enhanced aerodynamics, including a refined windshield design and a prominent rear spoiler, will ensure the vehicle generates significant downforce even at high speeds. There's hope that the new Celica will maintain the low-slung coupe shape that defined the last generation. The concept marries contemporary design elements with the classic Celica aesthetic in a retro-futuristic style. The side skirts and pointed taillights contribute to a more aggressive appearance. The 2025 Celica is anticipated to be priced around $35,000, aligning with other vehicles in its market segment. While Toyota has not yet confirmed the exact release date, it's expected to hit the market by late 2025. Powering the 2025 Celica will be a new all-wheel drive system called GR4, first introduced on the GR Yaris and GR Corolla, along with a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Reports suggest that the development of the new Celica's engine is complete, with the car rumored to produce around 400 horsepower, although detailed specifications remain scarce at this time.